10 things that I love about belly dancing and that you are going to love too. Hi Shimmy Shaker, welcome back to Belly Dancer Diaries, and if you are new here, please check out my channel. I have heaps of tutorials as well as workouts and inspiration all about belly dance. Okay, number one thing that I love about it is that you can get better as you age. It is one of the very rare dance styles where you can improve over time as you get older. It's almost like as you start when you're young, you're learning the moves, but as you become more confident in yourself and as you know yourself better, you can connect with that energy inside yourself and give it to your audience. That's very different to something like jazz where you're trying to do high kicks and it's all about energy and you're jumping around. In belly dancing, it's bringing yourself, your emotion, your experience into the dance. I've seen beautiful women dancing who are in their 70s and they just give amazing performances. I haven't seen a woman doing acrobatics and jazz in her 70s, so the older you get, the better you can get as well. Okay, second thing that is great about this dance style is that you can actually get paid to work in it. So for example, you can get a job in a restaurant, you can get a job for a wedding. You can't really do that with many other dance styles, and even though you might be able to get one-off jobs here and there, it's not the same with belly dancing where there's a big demand to have it in restaurants, in weddings and parties as well, so that you can actually work doing your passion. Okay, number 3 is when I'm dancing, I feel my heart sing. Heart singing, I had one of my friends describe it to me in this way. There's a few things in my life that really make me so happy that you feel it and you're just in the moment and you just feel so ecstatic while you are doing it. And it's not necessarily when performing, it can also be just dancing to music and getting really into a song that you love. That feeling that you get from dancing is really, really beautiful. Okay, number 4. The music is really complicated, and I love this about belly dancing because you can listen to a song so many times and hear things that are new in it. And often you'll choreograph a song listening to lots of different parts of the music, which can get you to know the music really well. And then you might improvise to it another time, and there's all these little things that you kind of knew but didn't really know. So it means that when you are doing a song, there's so many different things you can dance to. You can dance to the melody, you can dance to the rhythm, you can dance to the tempo, you can dance to the accents and really have fun with it, which you can't really do in any other dance style. A while ago, someone said to me, you have to learn how to dance for yourself. And I didn't really understand at the time, but then I started doing it and understood what it meant. Dancing for yourself is when you're not worrying about your audience, you're not worrying about your students, you are just doing it for you. And in that circumstance, it can kind of be like therapy where you're just letting those emotions run through you. We did a really beautiful song in belly dancing recently in my class, and I could see the woman getting really, really emotional as she danced. And I'd said to them, think about someone you love while you're dancing to this song. It was a beautiful, slow love song, and I could tell she was thinking about someone really special. And at the end of class, she said, yeah, I was thinking of my dad. I'm really sad that he's not here anymore. And through dancing, I'm able to channel that emotion. And you can even grieve through dancing, but anytime you're having a difficult period in your life, dance. I promise you, it will make you feel better and it'll help you connect with those emotions as well in ways that you might not be able to otherwise. Okay, next one, it brings people together. You've probably seen, if you've ever been to a hafla or a belly dancing party, or even if you are performing by yourself to an audience, people love it. Everyone gets together, they bring their energy together, and it's a really, really special experience. Okay, number 7, and that is the costumes. What other excuse do you need to wear heaps of glitter, heaps of jewels, really fun and beautiful costumes? I love my costumes. I did a video recently about costume haul, and I got out all my costumes, although I was lending some to some people at the time, but I got out pretty much all my costumes to look at, and so beautiful, just amazing to see everything and to be able to wear an outfit like that. And you feel so special when you are wearing your belly dancing costumes. Okay, number 8, Because this dance style has been around for so many thousands of years, you can never know it all. And that's one thing that I love about Oriental dancing, because you are always learning. Even if you've been learning for years and years and years and years, there's always something that you haven't done before. There's always something that you can connect with in a different way. And there's always something about culture or the history or the music or the moves or costumes that you can continue to work on and continue to learn. That makes it so interesting to learn belly dancing. It's really, really good for your brain as well to be learning things that are new, and it's heaps of fun as well. Okay, number 9, and that is body image. So often in our society with body image, in my other classes, in my fitness classes, people will say to me, oh, I really want to get rid of my stomach, for example. And I always say to them, oh, I'm a belly dancer. You know, in belly dancing, this is the most sexy part of the female body, and it's beautiful. And to be able to feel comfortable with your stomach and to be able to show off your moves in your body and be confident and proud of your body is really special, and it's also something that we don't get very often. I also teach classes to young girls who are like 14, 15, sometimes 13, but usually 14, 15. And I love watching them do it, because at the start, they're really, really shy. They don't like to shake their hips. And then by the end of the class, they're just having so much fun, and you can see that they're building that confidence. I really think that if we taught this to young teenage girls, it would do so much for body image. Okay, and the final one that I love about belly dancing is that we are learning about a culture. And there's so many different aspects to that culture. And one reason I love to learn about other cultures is that it changes your perspective of the world. We live in our society that is awesome, really happy with where I am, but unless you see other perspectives, other cultures, you can't really appreciate everything in your life, and you can't really understand the whole scope of humanity if you're just stuck in a bubble. So through learning Oriental dance, you've just widened up to a whole nother world of culture, of people, of language, of experience. So there you go. They're my 10 things that I really, really love about being a belly dancer. Were things that you love about being a belly dancer on there too? Have you just started belly dancing? I'd love to hear what you love so much about it. And if you want to extend your belly dancing, I have a new course that I've just put up on Patreon. It's a full choreography, really, really fun. I'll link that here. And as always, happy dancing.